According to recent surveys, Australian parents spend less time assisting their children with their schoolwork than parents worldwide. Is this, however, always a bad thing? Australian parents on average spend 4.4 hours a week helping their children with their schoolwork, which is a number that is not to be laughed at. However, it is insignificant in light of the committed hours in other nations, with the weekly average hours being roughly 6.7. Simon Birmingham, the Federal Minister of Education, has urged parents to do more to improve the math, reading, and science test scores of Australian students. But is homework assistance really the solution? You may encourage your children to read more, study more efficiently, and interact with the content in different ways. Try to concentrate on these strategies for ensuring your children's academic success. Number 1. Quality prioritizing quantity. The number of hours you spend helping your children doesn't necessarily indicate how much you're doing for them. In reality, some of the nations with the highest educational standards in the world also have the lowest parental involvement rates. For instance, Finnish parents assist their children with schoolwork for 3.1 hours per week, which is among the lowest statistics in the survey. Australia's comparatively low amount of parental involvement, in the opinion of education professionals, is a positive thing. The survey's findings, according to Professor Deborah Hayes, reflect well on Australian parents and reflect well on teachers that they are assigning the kind of homework that doesn't require the involvement of the entire family. Therefore, refrain from attempting to log more work hours. Make an effort to maximize their potential. And you may aid by assisting through. Number 2. Support over solutions. We offered reasons why parents shouldn't assist children with their homework in a post from our archives. If you assist your children in solving problems or finishing their assignments, they can't develop their own problem-solving and research skills because of you. In addition, teachers are giving pupils assignments that they are confident they can finish on their own, as Professor Hayes said. By doing some or all of the work for them, you are implying that you don't believe they are capable of meeting the challenge. This can make them feel less confident in their skills. Consequently, they become less motivated because they know they can rely on you to assist them in completing the assignment. Ask questions rather than offering solutions. Point them in the right direction, but refrain from pointing out the route. If they solve the problem on their own, they will learn more and feel more successful. Speaking of which, keep your attention on. Number 3. Learning over results. Remind yourself and your children of the real purpose they attend school. The main goal is to learn, not to excel in class or get accolades. Encourage your children to value the opportunity to learn. Encourage children to follow their passions, regardless of whether they are naturally talented in them. Make topics that they may not be naturally interested in relevant to them when you talk to them so they will understand their value and the need to learn them. And reduce the emphasis on the final result while restoring value to the process, so that they can thrive at studying and enjoy the process of doing so. Number 4. Choose balance over excess. Homework and studying shouldn't take up all of your free time. Children need time to unwind, play, relax, and partake in interests-based activities outside of the classroom. Playtime is a hugely important component of learning for young children. For older children, a balanced lifestyle that includes socializing, having personal downtime, and engaging in physical activity is essential for maintaining mental health. Additionally, if kids can compartmentalize their homework, finishing it quickly before moving on to other things, they won't feel burdened by it and are much less inclined to try to avoid it. Develop good study habits by making studying a regular part of your routine. Kids can enjoy family time after school, decompress, and switch off before bed if they take a break, eat a snack, and get some fresh air before supper. Number 5. Consistency trumps last-minute studying. The secret to learning well is not note-taking, memorization, or mind maps. Engagement with the material is what it is. Therefore, encourage your kids to show an interest in the subjects they are learning. Look for methods to make them interesting or relevant. Encourage them to think critically about the assignment at hand by asking them questions about the material they are studying. For young children, for instance, look for ways to apply science and math to commonplace events. Discuss current events with older children and explain how they connect to their studies.